Today po, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay pig fun. Pig fun po ay storytelling. Magsisimula, like and subscribe for more great videos. This pig likes to nap in sun. This pig sits in mud. This pig wants to hop on logs. This pig likes to yap on dogs. This pig wants to sit on logs. This pig is not all for hugs. This pig likes to put on hat. This pig likes to kiss cat. This pig jump up a big hill. This pig fall like Jack and Jill. Do you like what pig can do? Pigs know how to have fun too. Sunod po na istorya ay Anne's hat. Like and subscribe. Anne sees two tin cans. Anne sees a wig in the big can. Anne puts it on. Anne sees a hat in the can. It is big, big, big. What can Anne add to the hat? Anne hid in the hat. With sees the hat ran. What is it? It's Anne. Sunod po ay Pom-Pom. Like and subscribe. Pom-Pom is a pig. Pom-Pom wants to be a dog like Sam. See, I cannot dig. No, Pom-Pom. Pigs cannot dig like dog. Pom-Pom want to be a cat, like Kit Kat. See, I can nap in this box. No, Pom-Pom. Pigs cannot nap in this box. Pom-Pom wants to be a rat. See, I can fit in this can. No, Pom-Pom. Pigs cannot fit in this can. Pom-Pom sees a fox. Can I be a fox? No, Pom-Pom. Pigs can't wag. Pom-Pom cannot wag like fox. Pom-Pom. Pig sees Pom-Pom. Pom-Pom sits in this. Pom-Pom legs is a lot. See, it's fun to be a pig. Pom-Pom. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Do you want to watch my channel? And just subscribe and like the channel. And ang channel ko po ay Marites A. Vizcaino. Bye-bye! Like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye! I'm Hedia Heba.